So good day, subscribers. Welcome back to my channel. To those who are new on this channel, we analyze our, forex markets, our stock market. So if you are interested in any of our analysis, please subscribe. Subscribe by the way. Don't forget, like, share, and comment. Now let's quickly do a quick analysis on our JPY and currency pairs relating to it, any pair relating to our JPY. So now let's see. The first one we have is our JPY index. By the way, we can see that our price is actually once we start ranging around this area here. So our JPY is actually pushing down to our, this our support level. So that is exactly what I'm looking for. For today, definitely we should be able to see a sell, probably maybe from tomorrow or next tomorrow. Then we should actually see that continued bullish movement. But for today, we are aiming to hit our area here, which is our support area here, which has given us some liquidity, some tons of liquidity. So you should actually see that push down. Then before you can actually see that continue push up to our area, before we can actually now see break of this structure downward, continue before we can actually continue going bearish on our JPY. By the way, if you are look at it long time, you will see that we are actually going bearish, by the way. So probably we would want to be waiting for this break of this structure before we can actually take our sell position straight downward. Or we can actually, for today, if we want to grab and some profit for today, then definitely take our sell to this our resistance here before we can actually opt out of our trade, or we can actually go long before a short, a little bit of long before you can actually go short. So definitely our JPY is showing us a bearish move for today. Since our JPY is showing us a bearish move on our CADJPY, definitely we should be seeing that bullish move. So we should be seeing that bullish move on our CADJPY here before we can actually see that fall. So on our card, we should be seeing that movement upward on our CADJPY. That is exactly what I'm seeing on our CADJPY for today. On our daily time frame to see that bullish move. So let's see if we can hit this our liquidity area here before we can actually see that fall in price. So definitely we are going bullish on our CADJPY. Next pair we have is our Swiss franc JPY. We are seeing something like a retracement here, which is actually not bad. So we can actually wait when the retracement is over, then we can actually now take our buy position. So before we can actually know if our price has actually pushed down, is that when to take our buy position. I'll say probably when our price hits this our liquidity area here. I believe our price hits this our area here before you can actually take our buy position. There's nothing wrong if you actually take our buy position right now as we are talking. Look at it now. There's nothing wrong if you can actually take our buy position here, but you can actually wait for our price to hit this our area here. This is my area that I've just marked, which is about 134.267. If our price can hit it, then we can actually take our buy position upward. Right now we are seeing a little bit of ranging move around here, so you can actually trade the range market, which is actually not bad. If you have to take a buy position straight upward, you should be able to grab about 45 pips, which is actually not bad for today on our Swiss franc JPY. So definitely that is exactly what we will be planning to trade on our Swiss franc JPY. On our pound JPY, we are actually seeing that bullish move. We actually be seeing that bullish move to this our liquidity area upward on our pound JPY. That is exactly what I am aiming for. You can see on our 4-hour time frame, you can actually see we have gotten that retracement. Definitely we would want to start seeing that bullish move straight to actually this our liquidity area. As you can see, I've taken my buy position upward, by the way. So I'm aiming to opt out at this place, which will be giving me about 75 pips. I should be able to grab 75 pips, which if I'm unable to grab it today, I should be able to grab it by tomorrow morning. So exactly what I am aiming for on my pound JPY. Now our next pair we have is our New Zealand JPY. Since our JPY is actually falling, let's see if we actually be able to see a little bit of push up before we actually see that fall. Let's see if we'll be able to get that push up to this our area here, then we actually see that fall on our on our New Zealand JPY to this our area here, whereby we are seeing the market as a ranging market. Let's see if we to utilize our resistance here, they actually see that our fall, or probably you wait till our price comes down to this our area here, then you will take your buy position. So definitely let's be watching how the price reacts. That is exactly what I am planning to trade. If my price pushes up to this my resistance, I'll be taking my sell position straight downward. And if it does not go like that, but it actually comes down, pushes down here, then definitely I'll be taking my buy position up. That is exactly what I've planned to trade on my New Zealand JPY. On our AUDJPY, same thing with the way I'm seeing on my New Zealand JPY. Let's see if my price will actually push up to this my area here. If it does, then I'll be taking my sell position. And if it does not give me that buy position but actually pushes down here, then definitely I'm taking my buy upward on my odd JPY. So I doubt if you'll be able to see that push movement up, because our odd is actually falling a little rapidly. Same thing with our JPY is actually falling. But let's see how our price will plays out. If it able to get it down at support or resistance, then we'll know what to trade. On our EURJPY, let me be waiting for my price to actually hit this my liquidity area. Definitely I'm going bullish. Personally, I'm going bullish on my EURJPY if I'm to go. So I should be able to grab about 105 pips. I'm going bullish on EURJPY, because we will be seeing a massive move on our euro very soon. Between today, tomorrow, or next tomorrow, we should be seeing that massive move. Since our JPY is actually falling, then I would suggest we actually go bullish. We should see if our price will actually hit this our liquidity area here before we actually see that rejection. Now we've gotten that thing called a retracement, right? Definitely we should actually now start going bullish on our EURJPY. So that's our trade for today. If you find this video helpful, subscribe, like, share. Thank you.